Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on the beautiful channel on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Please check out the description box, all the nice links. Drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. Also, let's just get going. So basically I changed some stuff up, and sorry for the little longer video last time. I'm gonna try to make it a little faster this time. So what we have is, this is the correct way kind of to add stuff to a map. Okay, so you just, all you have to do is just give it the key you want equal to the number or whatever the map takes, and they will add it itself. It will check for duplicates as well. I did a little reading up on maps again. It checks for duplicates, and if there is a duplicate, it will be a problem. And then to print all the keys out, you just do this. Okay, so I'm just gonna have this as a little debug, a debug remove later. Okay, just a little debug thing here, but just make sure you change all the code you had here to this. Okay, and that's gonna be cool. Now if we go into game state, the same thing here. Okay, so we're gonna remove in place, and we're just gonna add this. I should have done this before the video as well, I'm sorry about this, but now you can see kind of how I changed it. Okay, so you just remove all the endings here, and then you just remove all the in places like this. Okay, and just kind of go down, create some of these, and then some of these. Boom, boom. Remove the commas and do some equal to signs instead. Okay, so this is a little tedious, I know, I'm sorry about this, but anyway, there you go. So now we can do all this, and then obviously you can check here. You can do checks. For example, if you want to see if this key exists, you do if this key bound, key left. If it does exist, we'll do this. Okay, but we'll do that as we get more advanced. Okay, so right now it's just basic, no big deal. Okay, I just want to change one thing. I want to go up into state.h. So I'm just gonna close these for now. Let me see where I am. So state.cpp, we have the keyboard thing here. Okay, we get the supported keys, and this is just hard coded the key escape. So check in for quit. Check in for quit. I guess we can't use. I guess we can't do this. Let me just check this out. Key this keybinds at close. I guess maybe could that work? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. If we add that to gamestate.cpp, for example, and we just copy one of these, and we say close escape. Okay, and we're going to state, and the check for quit is going to look at the keybinds at close. Let's just run this and see if that works. It did work. Okay, it did work. That's cool. That's cool, because by the time we call it in here, that key will have been bound. Okay, so that's cool, I guess. That's all right. That's all right. So that's cool. Okay, so now the way I want to do this is I want to go into my file explorer, and I want to go into that folder that we have. Okay, go into that folder, and in the config, I'm gonna create a new item, a new text document, and I'm just gonna call it supported, or just keys, supported keys dot ini. I guess I could do dot ini there. Just initialization. I'm gonna edit that right here. Okay, so the way I want to do this is I want to support escape. So how would I do this? we would get all of those from SFML and put them in here. Okay, so to do that, what I would do is, for example, in state dot, let's see, where do we do in game.cpp? Right here. So this is where we're doing, but here we're just gonna do a little for loop here to read in all of the keys from that file that are supported. So it's not gonna be this way. It's gonna be, we're gonna get a string and then we're gonna get a number. Okay. And yeah, so keyboard, go to definition. Okay, so let's just add those first. A S A D W S and escape. So A is 0, D is 0, 1, 2, 3. W is, you know what, we could just check it like this. SF keyboard key W is 22, and then escape is 36, and S is 18, so 18. I guess we could do it like this and just put them all in a file. We could remove supported items and everything, I guess. So in that way, it might be a little easier. So if we're going to game.cpp, let me see, where am I? Game.cpp, and I'm going to go into init keys. Okay, so I want to open up this file, std if stream, and we're going to go to config and then supported keys.ini. I just want to open that up, and then if is open, we're just gonna run this, and then ifs.close. So now we can read in all of these supported keys from this. So what I'm gonna do is while make a std string key, okay, and a int value 0. I'm just gonna name that key value just so we're clear, and then while ifs key value. Okay, while that's happening, I'm going to do this. Just copy one of these, and then just say key in here, and then key value, and we're just gonna close it, and then we're gonna debug print it to see if we got all of them from the file. Now the file should be 0322. Okay, cool. So let's just run this. And I'm creating this file so I can easily just read from it if I make any other game. So 0, 3, and this is working, all right? It's working. Keybinds are working. Perfect, no problems. Now, one more thing I want to do is I want to just copy this, all of this, close game.cpp. Now we're going to go into gamestate.cpp, into init keybinds, okay? And then we're just going to change this to keybinds, game state keybinds.ini. Okay, and going here, I'm just gonna copy paste this, and I'm gonna name it game state keybinds.ini. Okay, game state keybinds.ini, and open that in here. Supported keys, that's fine. All right, so what did we have? We had close was escape. Move up was W. move down was S, move left was A, move right was D. Okay, so we got all of these, up, down, left, right, and close. And then we're just going to minimize that. Let's minimize that. So we open it up, keybinds.ini, key and key value. So we're gonna do key, this keybinds. All right, and it's not gonna be key value now. Now we're gonna get another string key 2, okay, because that's another string. Keybinds is this supported keys at key 2. Okay, so move up, for example, or close is gonna get the key value from the escape supported key, and so on and so on. And then we're just gonna fill it all in, and it should theoretically be fine. And just do this, key 1, key 2, and that should be fine theoretically, because we all have supported keys here, and then we can use this. And let's just run this. Okay, that seems to be working. Okay, now I can change this. Okay, I can change this, I can move this around. So let's say S and W. Okay, let's switch it up. And then you run this, and it's probably gonna mess it up for you. Yep, it messed it up for me right there. So perfect, see? So now you can change your keybinds here in your file the way you want it, depending on the supported keys. Okay, so if that key is supported, it should work. If it's not, it's probably gonna crash. So we're gonna probably have to fix that somehow. But for now, this is fine. For now, that's fine. Just keep track of which keys you have supported. My tip to you is to go in to the keyboard, just right click anywhere here on the keyboard thing, go to definition and just add these into your supported keys. Okay, just add those into your supported keys. One way you could do it is just start at 0, add all of these, start at 0, and then just make a little quick script to just add numbers to all of these. Okay, so I'm gonna probably do that just so we can quickly add these, so we don't have to write everything by hand. So yeah, that should be fine. There we go. So yeah, thanks for watching for now. We'll keep working on this. We made the player move. We'll make some kind of main menu, some button classes, some cool stuff, just so we can change stuff around, you know, engine stuff as usual. We'll get into the editor and everything. This series is gonna be long, just so you guys know, because there's so much that goes into making a game, and it takes so long. So, but yeah, I'll do my best to make it understandable and fun. Okay, so thank you so much for all the support. Take care, keep learning. Check out the description box. Drop a like, subscribe if you like the content, and I'll see you guys and girls in the next video. All right, bye bye.